Could use a little practice. No matter if you're learning how to play the piano or play the harmonica or learning how to program software, there's a problem in the industry today, and that is people will hire you because of your experience. Of course, if you don't have any experience, you're probably not going to get hired. It's an age-old problem, and today more than ever before, we have so many ways to prove and practice what we're doing, not only in our own houses and homes, but of course on our own projects, and those projects may be private or public-facing. So as I travel around the world these days, from time to time someone will ask me how I manage to learn so many things. And the answer for me, of course, is easy, as I find some way to apply technology to my own personal projects. And as I do things with my own personal projects, I find that whether it's collecting quotations or recipes or keeping track of my time, holidays, shopping lists, email, or a dozen other applications, the quest to make things faster, cheaper, and better for myself is often the very same quest people will put us on whenever we start working for someone else. So submitted for your approval, therefore, I wanted to share with you some practice activities designed specifically for those who are just getting started programming in Python, designed to allow you to practice the basic concepts we've learned in Python 1000 and other introductory Python training opportunities. I think that you will find that our 1200 series, when applied to beginning topics, will allow you to keep motivated as well as keep practicing what you will need to know in order to create your own projects both personally and in the professional software development world. So in music, just like everything else, practice surely does make perfection. So even after completing this training exercise, I would encourage you to look at your own interests, and if not your own, then those of people around you, and see how you can, even after completing these practice activities, take what you have learned in practice even farther by being in service to other people. But the truth be told, when you're in service to other people, you're also in service to yourself, and there's always a way to do things a little better. So hope you enjoy this training, and I look forward to seeing you in the professional software development world.